Hi, it's Pat again. Here's part number 3. What we're going to do now is open a file. I'll press the up arrow. So I have the previous command, or if you want, you can just type it in again, vim space and then a file name. And what I'll do now is learn how to move around the file. So you should have done this, I think it was lesson number 1 in the Vim tutor. And the way you move around a file in Vim is you press one of 4 letters. You press H, J, K, or L. And these are all in the middle of your keyboard, which is why they picked these letters. So if you press J, it'll move down, and if you press K, it'll move up. If you press L, it'll move to the right. So let's go down to this line. Now I'm pressing L, and if you press H, it'll move to the left. So you should practice that a lot. That's sort of the basic way to get around a file. The other way to get around a file is by jumping to a particular line number. This is useful a lot of times in programming where you have an error message or some other problem on a certain line and you need to jump to that line. So you just press in the line number, like if I want to go to line 20, I press 20. And as I type in 20, you can see the 20 appear at the lower right of my screen. So that's where Vim displays the command that you're typing in as you type it. And then after the line number, you press the letter capital G. So I press Shift G, takes me to line 20. If I want to go to line 10, I would press 10, capital G. Takes me to line 10. If I want to go to the first line, I press 1 and capital G. And the last trick is if I want to go to the last line, then I don't give it any line number at all. I just press capital G. It takes me to the last line. In this long file, it turns out the last line is line number 1924. So this is actually a really long file. And I can move around here using K, J, L, and H. And if I want to go back to the beginning, I just press 1G, capital G again, and I'm back at the beginning. That's it. And then to quit again, it's colon and Q and enter.